Hello, my name is Wayne C. Robinson. I'm the author of the book, Everything About Timeshares, Before, During, and After the Sale. I worked in the timeshare industry for 15 years. In the United States, I sold timeshare as a licensed real estate agent and licensed timeshare salesperson. I also worked in Canada, the Caribbean Islands, and throughout Mexico. I have sold millions of dollars of timeshares during my career to many families and was finally promoted to Director of Sales and Marketing. However, after being fired from 2 timeshare companies for not agreeing with their unethical practices, I resigned from the industry. Now I work for you, the consumer. Once you complete either of these 2 courses, you will have everything you need to legally stop paying maintenance fees, stop monthly payments, and prevent the timeshare companies from harassing you or affecting your credit rating. I will help you complete the necessary legal cancellation documents, and you will understand state and federal laws that protect consumers from unethical behaviors by the timeshare companies. This package includes 2 courses: how to cancel a U.S. timeshare and how to cancel a timeshare in Mexico or in the Caribbean Islands. Sadly, there are many timeshare owners who, for various reasons, have decided to cancel their timeshare. Some no longer travel, while others feel that the timeshare company has not fulfilled their end of the obligation. Moreover, many timeshare owners are afraid that the companies will default if they try to cancel and ruin their credit, or worse, they will be sued. I designed this course to help you understand that they cannot default on you and cannot affect your credit rating when the law is on your side. Since I have written this course, I have helped countless families legally cancel their timeshares on their own. Enroll in the course and begin the process of legally canceling your timeshare today. See you in class soon. Thank you.